Shell holders. If you're like me, you got a ton of them. How do you keep them neat, organized, and accessible? I think I found the solution. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you. Here's the solution. A beautiful shell holder block made out of black walnut by Josh Page. I found Josh on one of the reloading groups I belong to on Facebook. He makes all kinds of cool stuff out of beautiful woods, walnut, maple, white oak, and more. He makes reloading blocks with and without projectile trays, comparator headspace gauge organizers, Dillon primer tube holders, Wilson case trimmer bases, die set holders in 2-die and 3-die sets with shell holder spots, and more. When I saw this shell holder block, I knew right away that I had to have one and that it would be the perfect solution for my reloading room. I sent a message to Josh. He immediately got back to me, and we talked back and forth online, decided on the wood I wanted. I paid him and got it within a week. Here's his company, Roaring Fork Custom Billiards. You can imagine he's well equipped to make stuff for our reloading room. You gotta see some of the stuff this guy does. It's out of this world and off the charts. I'll put his information down in the description below. Just look at this block with all my shell holders in it. Everything is neat, organized, and I've got room to grow. This product is worth every penny. I paid $25 plus shipping for it, and honestly, it's worth 3 times that. Just trying to find someone who can craft in beautiful woods using old world craftsmanship, it's a dying art. I highly recommend that everybody go out and see what Josh is making. He makes all kinds of products for your reloading room, and it just makes the reloading room look better. Until next time, Skeeter out.